If you are a student learning database or backend development, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get MongoDB certification for free using the official student of program. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video. Here you can see I had already created a video about how to get GitHub Student Developer Pack for free and how to get GitHub Copilot for free. So please watch that videos if you are interested. And just I had created a video about how to get JetBrains free for 2 years. Here you can see email received. Your JetBrains educational pack has been confirmed. And how to get no I already recorded a video about how to get Notion Plus plan for free. So I will give all the videos link in this video description.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Simply go to mongodb.com/student. Click on this sign in with GitHub. After login your GitHub account, simply click on this authorized MongoDB. Now scroll down and here you can see we have allow MongoDB to send update. Simply ignore this. Claim your MongoDB certification. Complete your entire certification path. So we need to first request your at last code. Here you can see I received my code, receive $50 at last credit, and apply the code to your organization in at last within 12 months. Then we need to fill this form to get a discount voucher for certification. Here you can see simply click on this certification learning path. Then log in your account. Here you can see I had already logged in. Then click on this MongoDB Atlas administration path or WBD MongoDB Atlas administration path. Here you can see many courses are available. Simply click on this anything. Here you can see for example I am starting this. Then click on this register now. Again click on this register now. After that complete all the courses or the lessons, videos and practice. Here you can see conclusion. Simply complete this 100%, and here you can see you will receive an email with 100% discount voucher within 24 hours of completing an entire certification. If you do not receive your code after 24 hours, simply fill this form. So by this way you will get 100% free. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.